Why are my ads not displaying? Okay, so what you mean by that is that they're not getting any impressions or they're not showing up. So there could be a number of reasons for this, and without looking at your campaign, I can't give you a definite answer, but my guess would be one of these. There is a problem with the billing. So please check your billing. The credit card or the billing or the payment hasn't gone through and the ads have stopped. So that's one of the first places I will see. And if there is an issue with the payment or the billing, you will get a little red warning along the top of your account that please fix your billing, because sometimes the credit card may have expired and the payment may not have gone through. So first thing is the billing. Second thing, look at your ads. You might find that for some reason the ads may have been disapproved. Now there may be a number of reasons why they get disapproved, that they're running fine, they have been approved, and all of a sudden they get disapproved. Let's say your website had a problem, your servers had some problems or issues, your website was down. Google Ads keeps looking at the URL because they want to make sure that when somebody clicks on the ad, they go to a live page and not to a page which does not exist, because that does not give a great user experience. And Google, people think that, oh, whenever I click on an ad, Google is sending me to all sorts of places where there's nothing. So they make sure that that doesn't happen. And if your website is down, Google Ads is going to see that and your ads will get disapproved and your ads will stop running. You're not bidding high enough. That means your bids are not competitive enough. And if that is the case, what you need to do is to keep bidding high. How high? I don't know. Again, it depends on the level of competition in your niche. If your competitors are bidding very aggressively, then you will need to be very aggressively and give as good as you get. So you need to start increasing your bid, and I would increase it by 25% at a time and see what happens. And if it doesn't run, increase it again and again until they start to run. Quite often the targeting or the audiences are too narrow, especially on Google Display Network and YouTube. So if that is the case, then you need to broaden your targeting and the audiences to make sure that you have got enough leeway to run these ads. On the search network, it may well be that there is hardly anyone searching for that keyword which you are targeting, and it has got a very low keyword search volume.